Welcome back. I'm Christine Zeitler with the Olean Public Library, and today we're going to be making beaded zipper pulls. The supplies that you need are a needle, beads that the needle can go through, thread, and a bulb pin. After you thread the needle, then you're going to need to tie the thread onto the bulb pin. I used a simple overhand knot twice just to make sure that things were secure. Once you have the needle threaded, begin to thread the beads onto your needle. One of the problems that can occur is if you try and thread a lot of beads at once, inevitably one of the beads will not go over the base of the needle. If they are glass beads, you can use pliers to break one of the beads as needed. Now that the beads are threaded, skip the bead at the very end and pull the thread back through the rest of the beads. Tighten the thread down until the beads are sitting right next to the bulb pin. Tie another double overhand knot to secure everything, making sure to run the thread around the bulb pin. Then run your needle back up through the beads to start to hide the end. Snip the thread and the thread will be hidden inside your beads. Next, I ran the needle back up through the beads, thread the needle with the final tail, and snip the end of the thread. You can put a dot of glue down if you want to make sure that everything is secure and that the knot will hold. Once things are dry, then you have an amazing zipper pull. Show me your projects on Facebook, and I'll see you next week. If you're an introvert, please check on your extroverts and have a great day.